Hi, my name is Lydia Watson. I'm a student physical therapist. Today in my video I'm going to be showing you how to fit a patient for a platform rolling walker in ambulating with them at partial and non-weight bearing and having them turn to return to sitting in a wheelchair. Fitting a patient for the platform attachment for the walker, you're going to want the walker to come to the onward styloid process of the patient's wrist. And for the platform attachment, you're going to want it to be level with the patient's elbow. You're going to have the patient rest their arm onto the platform, and you want to adjust this sliding bar here so that the patient's elbow is about 90 degrees with their elbow about an inch off the end. And you can also adjust the grip here. After you have fit them into the walker, you will strap the patient's arm in. When ambulating with a patient, you want to make sure their arm is comfortable on the platform. Is this a comfortable position for you? Mm-hmm. You also want to give the patient a few instructions before you begin. Whenever you lift your walker and set it down, make sure all four wheels are clear of the ground and come back in contact with it at the same time. Don't rock from your back to front. Also, whenever you step through, don't cross this bar so you can maintain your balance. When ambulating with the patient, either in partial or non-weight bearing, you can grasp the patient's gait belt, and you're going to be guarding to their weak side slightly behind them. In partial weight bearing, the patient will lift all four wheels of the walker off the ground, place it down in front of them, bring the involved limb forward, and then bring the uninvolved limb through. When the patient is non-weight bearing, you're going to have them lift all four legs of the walker off the ground, place it down in front of them, and bearing weight through their forearms, they will bring the uninvolved limb through. Like this. Finally, we're going to have the patient turn to return to sitting in a wheelchair. The patient is going to use the walker to stabilize themselves and pivot on their strong side to their strong side. With the patient's back to the wheelchair, I'll unstrap the arm. Okay, so we can place the patient's arm there to keep the walker from tipping to one side or another. And I'll have the patient bend at the knees and hips to return to sitting.